Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Rashid, and it's a beautiful morning. If you can see behind me, early morning. It's a beautiful hiking in Kalba, which is beautiful place. We came over here, we stood overnight, and moving forward for a beautiful hike. Appreciated everyone, the people in my channel, for your support, for your comments, and yes, it's a very amazing place. I'm going to show you the entire mountain covered with the beautiful clouds, guys. It's early morning, peaceful. This is hot while walking.
Berapa padi luan? Begitu.
Beautiful day. Still no sunrise. We wanted to reach at the top and watch the full video, guys. Thank you for your support once again, everyone. They're coming so slow. Guys, we are resting a bit. We came long back. We need to go that top of the mountain. Still way to go. All the way we need to come back. It's around 10 kilometer or 12 kilometer. I have no idea. But it's amazing weather, guys. Salim is done. He's taking a rest. We have been coming for hike after so long, and yes, needs the stamina. And let's see, we'll continue, guys, once again. We reached a bit closer to that top place, and let's see. It's a place. We'll take some rest and we'll continue again. It's hot. I need to cover the face, and we'll bounce at the top. Still more to go. Still more to go. We have reached at the top. One more rest area. Tired. The guys are done. Pikachu! Guys, we went all the way till top. Now we are moving down again, and it's cloudy. It's getting hot. almost more than 2 hours. We are hiking. Amazing place. It's very beautiful. And let's see till where we can reach it out. Thank you guys once again, everyone, for watching the video. Thank you so much. The weather is so beautiful, amazing. I wish I could bring my chair over here and cook for the day. Spend my whole morning till evening over here. This place is very amazing. Fresh air, the beautiful clouds, beautiful valley. So wonderful, guys. So amazing. Don't need to bring charcoal. All around you can find dry woods. This is the beautiful trail. Done with the hike. Moving back to the car. Salif, you're done with the hike? They're finished. Last, guys, we have reached at the car and we have done with the hike. Once again, I'm thankful to everyone, the people who already subscribed the channel and they on the channel, for your beautiful comments, for sharing the videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much once again, guys. Appreciated for your love and for your beautiful messages to the channel. Guys, after the hike, you need this, yeah? Dates.